Starting your own business can be an exciting journey, especially in the booming world of artificial intelligence. Today, let's talk about how you can start an AI Services LLC. So, why an LLC? Well, it's simple. An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, offers personal protection. This means your personal assets like your house or car remain safe if the business runs into trouble. It's flexible and usually has fewer formalities compared to other business structures. Now, let's dive into the AI world. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to smart assistants. If you're tech-savvy, starting an AI Services LLC might be your ticket to success. But where do you start? First, you'll want to brainstorm your niche. AI is vast. Are you interested in developing machine learning models, AI-driven customer service solutions, or maybe even AI for healthcare? Picking a niche helps you focus your efforts and stand out in the market. Next, it's all about the paperwork. To get your LLC up and running, you'll need to file articles of organization with the state. Every state has its own rules, so make sure you check out what applies to yours. And if all this sounds a bit confusing, don't worry. Legalregistration.com is here to help, and we can guide you through the process smoothly. Once the paperwork is sorted, it's time to think about branding. A catchy name and a professional logo can make a big difference. You'll also want to create a website that showcases your services and expertise. This is where potential clients will learn about what you offer, so make it shine. Don't forget about funding. Starting an AI business can require some upfront investment. Whether it's buying equipment or hiring talented developers, you might need some cash to get started. Consider looking into business loans or finding investors who believe in your vision. One last tip: network, network, network. Join tech communities, attend AI conferences, and connect with other professionals. Building relationships can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Plus, it's always great to have a support system of like-minded individuals. So, are you ready to jump into the world of AI and start your own LLC? The future is waiting, and you've got the potential to make a real difference. Need help getting started? Reach out to legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. We're ready to assist you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your AI journey.